Welcome to the synthesis presentation, the Carpigiani modular system that anyone can use with extreme ease for producing, storing, and serving gelato, sorbet, ice cream, Sicilian granita, and slush in front of customers in just a few simple steps, all in the same cylinder. Synthesis is design forward. The elegant white and modern look is ideal for the front of house of your business. In addition, you can customize the color of the front and side panels to fit in with the style of your location or brand. Synthesis is modular. Each module is composed of one or two independent freezing cylinders. There are three versions: single cylinder, double horizontal, and double vertical, which can be combined with each other to fit anywhere. The combined modules can be either all single cylinder, all vertical, or all horizontal, as well as a combination of all three versions. The modular technology allows it to best suit your space or production needs. Synthesis is easy to install thanks to its single-phase power supply, compact size, caster wheels, and modular units. The machine can be easily installed in virtually any location. Synthesis is easy to use. The intuitive production and serving system is user-friendly. Each cylinder has a dedicated display indicating which flavor should be mixed in. In addition, thanks to the Hard-O-Tronic system, the gelato or frozen dessert will be made according to the preset consistency settings just in a matter of minutes. Everyone can produce gelato. It only takes 3 steps to make gelato with synthesis. Open the lid, pour in the mixture, and choose the production cycle. Once the batch freezing is complete, the operator does not need to extract the gelato and fill the tray or tub, as synthesis will automatically go into static storage mode to best maintain the texture and flavor of the product. When one of the flavors is about to run out, simply add more liquid mix in the same cylinder. Start the production cycle and it will be filled with delicious gelato again, thanks to the advanced refill function. You can also pasteurize to heat treat the mixture up to 90 degrees Celsius, all in a single cylinder. Synthesis is performance. In just a few minutes, your gelato is ready to be served, thanks to the Hard-O-Tronic consistency control and self-adjusting scrapers. The static conservation mode of each individual cylinder can be adjusted to allow you to have diverse and unique recipes in each cylinder. Each module has a dedicated refrigerated scooper holder to ensure maximum hygiene. All synthesis models are equipped with a washing kit consisting of a hand washer and a liquid aspirator to facilitate the cleaning inside the cylinder. Synthesis is the ideal solution for producing, storing, and serving gelato everywhere. Easy to use. Anyone can operate it with extreme ease. No need for the back of house. Freezing and storing in the same cylinder. Modular technology that adapts to your business. Easy to install and move. With synthesis, you can now have gelato in any location. Cafés and pastry shops, restaurants, pop-up stores, supermarkets, hotels and resorts, catering and events, chocolate shops. The worldwide network of Carpigiani distributors can help you find the right equipment. You can find the contact of your local distributor as well as more info at 𝐚𝐫𝐫𝐚𝐧𝐭𝐝.com.